So today's video I'm going to unboxing and reviewing this new hair product what I received by this brand called Insert Name Here. It is an American company based in LA. They have all kinds of hair extensions and wigs and also hair tools and also a lot of hair accessories, and they actually quite very popular. They work with a lot of celebrities and also with influencers. So yeah, I am very grateful because this company reached out to me to try their product, and of course why not. And this product was gifted, but of course it's going to be a very honest review as always, because this is the first time I'm going to try these. So I will going to tell you everything and I will show you the product and let's try it together. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and if you are interested about this product by Insert Name Here, then make sure to check them out. They have an Instagram and also Facebook, and also they have a website. And by the way, every link's in the description as always, every information. And I also have a discount code for you what you can use for your purchase for 15% off. So make sure that to use my coupon code. So did you ever dreamed about long hair or having a long ponytail? Because people are always asking me how I grow my hair long and what is my secret. In reality, having a long hair is really not easy. Of course I love my long hair, but it's a lot of work, so it's not easy. It's not an easy life. But I am telling you that you don't need to wait for a long hair, because I'm going to show you something for this solution. So if you are dreaming about long hair, then keep on watching and make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. They sent me two hair product. This is the Insert Name Here waiver, and the other one is the ponytail hair extension. But in this video I'm just going to reviewing only this product. In the next video I'm going to try this waiver, so stay tuned. So I want to do a separate video on this one, but now let's see what is inside the box. So it came in this huge box, and it's a peachy pink color box, very nice, quite very huge, and it says that it's the best wave you ever had. The packages looks very nice. I will show you of course close up. So it came with this peachy pink colored gloves, very nice. It looks like this. It's very comfortable. It's actually a perfect size for me. And here is the waiver. Wow, it's huge. Look how big is this. And here is the plug. It's a problem for me because I am from Europe and this came from America, so of course they're using this type of plug. So I need to get an adapter for this one because otherwise I cannot use it. So it is in this pink color. It's very nice. It's very girly. The handle is white with the Insert Name Here logo. It's giving me a little bit like 2000 vibe, but yeah. Let's see how it works. So now let's see the ponytail. So it came in this nice cardboard package. So it says loading and pretty things inside, and it says that recycling turns things into other things, which is like magic. So yeah, now let's see what is inside. Wow. So it came in this very nice silky package. Here is plastic. So she's called the MIYA Ponytail in the mixed brown color. And it is 26 inch long, which means it's a 66 centimeter. And this ponytail extension comes with the texturized yoki perm for added volume. And it's made from a vegan synthetic fiber from Japan. And the heat resistance is up to 320 Fahrenheit, which is 160 degrees Celsius. So you have to be very careful with the heat tools, and if it's not necessary, then please do not use them on these hair extensions. So basically she asked me a good quality photo of my hair. So she chose this color for me to match my hair. But the picture what I sent her, my hair looked very light. I don't know why. The lighting was different, but on the picture my hair looks very like light, like almost like this one. Right now my hair looks like a dark brown. For example, if I go outside, my hair looks very light. Actually, you can DM them on Instagram, and also you can send photo of your hair before you want to purchase this ponytail if you are not sure about the color. Of course, you have to send a good quality picture in the natural lighting. But of course, colors can look different on photos because of the lighting, and lots of other things can change the color. But anyways, but this hair it actually looks very real. I can tell you right now, this doesn't feel like a cheap, like weak type of hair, because it's not too shiny, and it feels like almost my hair, like. And here, as you can see, it has a curly end. So this is the piece what you have to wrap around the ponytail to hide this part. So yeah, definitely a different color, but it's okay. Actually, I am very curious how I look like with this hair color. It's not bad. And they also give a very cute rose colored crunchy. So yeah, now let's see how it looks like with the ponytail. So first I'm going to put my hair into a ponytail. So let's do this first, and then I will put the ponytail on my ponytail. Here is my own ponytail, and yeah, as you can see, it's very long, and I think it's longer than the ponytail. And as you can see, my ponytail is not perfect. I don't know how to do a slick ponytail, and yeah, I have lots of frizz. It's not perfect. Normally I do not like to wear my hair as like a ponytail, because my pony is not looking that, you know, like high. It's like very flat. I like when the ponytail has a volume and it's like huge. People are always say that I look good in ponytail, but I don't feel it. Like, I really do not feel myself. I have the ponytail. The next thing what I'm going to do is just twist my hair only for the application, and after I will take it out, because otherwise it will be too messy. So if you have a long hair, I think it's better if you do braids, or like also you can do a twist. Now I'm going to do a twist. You can do it this one in the back side, or either like front side. You can put the clip into the pony, but I'm going to do the way how it's supposed to be. So I do it the way I saw on the video. And you will also need these bobby pins, minimum 2 or more. And when you put this on, you have to be very careful with the Velcro to not stuck this one in your hair. This is the only thing you have to be very careful. So first I'm going to put this part, which is the clip. So I will put this one underneath my pony, and you have to hold this part because it's very dangerous. And now I cannot talk because I have to concentrate. So And in the back side you have to connect the velcro to the other side. And okay, and now you have to hold your hair and now I am hiding the velcro with this piece. And now you have to take the bobby pin and secure this piece. Wow. Okay. And I take out the braid or the twist. And now you can also brush this hair because it's a little bit messy now. So here is the MIYA ponytail. This is how it looks like on my ponytail. And wow, it looks very nice. And this is how I like my ponytail to look like huge and with a lot of volume. And wow, this is very beautiful. Oh my god. I love it. Even if I have a very long hair, this one is really gave me a lot of volume. And wow, I love this color. And actually now it looks like I have like highlights on my hair, caramel light brown highlights. Yes, now I like ponytail. So what do you think? Let me know in a comment section below. I love this color. And also you can do a lot of hairstyle with this. So this is how it looks like as like a regular high ponytail. But now I want to show you some hairstyles with this ponytail. And if you're going to purchase this one, then make sure to use my coupon code for 15% off. And thank you so much for watching this video. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this next hairstyle tutorials. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.